Hey everybody, Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach, Florida, your local Sea Ray boat dealer. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this recent arrival of 2025 Sea Ray SLX 260 Outboard in the beautiful Sea Ray blue hull with a cool red boot stripe. That is not a decal, that is in the gel coat. Stainless steel anchor with windlass, huge water sports electric tower. It's got an extension that you can actually pull out of the back manually to give you more shade. This one's powered by the awesome V8 300 four-stroke Mercury in the upgraded white cowling color. We got underwater lights on this one, trim tabs, sea deck on the swim platform back here. Still have a lot of room to walk around even though you have the outboard. Walk into the cockpit. Well, first, really nice four-rung ladder here that is nice and concealed and out of the way. This one actually has sea deck throughout the entire boat. Beautiful gray interior. Sea Ray, beautiful stitching everywhere. Tons of coverage from this electric tower. Easy walk through. Stereo controls back here. USB sockets. Here's your controls to lower and raise the tower if you need to get under a bridge or for storage reasons. Look at the just conducive seating here for entertaining. Both captain's chairs here swivel around so you can make a nice conversation area. Drink holders everywhere. You have an insert for an American flag back here. Stainless steel windshield frame. Dual 9-inch Simrads, digital dash, no gauges anymore. All fly-by-wire DTS controls. Just so well done. Definitely the most elegant 26-footer on the market. And again, this one's fully loaded. Vacuum flush toilet, same toilet you would get on a yacht. You do have a wet sink in the head as well. Really expansive bow area with access to your windlass up here. Storage underneath all the cushions. Armrests. This boat really has it all. It's our biggest, well, not the biggest, but it's the biggest or smallest SLX with a single engine. And it just runs amazing. Again, Tyler Hill. Oh, I forgot to mention one thing. Self-bailing cockpit and a bow rider. Who does that? Sea Ray does. Don't have to worry about if you get a storm, all that water going into your bilge. Again, Tyler Hill, MarineMax Sea Ray Boats here in Pompano Beach, Florida. Do a quick panorama of our gorgeous full-service dealership here. Again, this is a 2025 Sea Ray SLX 260 Outboard. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching.